In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy text from an image using Google Drive and Google Docs. This is a handy technique, especially if you frequently encounter situations where you need to extract text from images, whether it's a screenshot, a scanned document, or any image format. Now, let's dive right in and get started. First, open up your preferred internet browser and type Google Drive into the search bar. If you're familiar with navigating browser search results, this should be a breeze for you. Once the search results appear, go ahead and click on the first link that shows the URL drive, google.com drive quota. This will direct you straight to Google Drive, where all the magic is going to happen. Once you're on the Google Drive page, you'll need to log in so that you can access your files and space. Use your usual Google account credentials and fill them in the fields provided. If you've logged in previously, Google might already sign you in automatically. Double-check to ensure you're in the right account, especially if you manage multiple Google accounts. Next up, it's time to upload your image file, the one containing the text you want to copy. There are two simple ways to do this. You can either drag and drop the image file directly from your computer into the Google Drive window, which is a very intuitive way if you already have your file window open. Alternatively, you can click on the plus New button located near the top of the Google Drive interface. From there, select File Upload and choose your image file from your computer's file picker. After the image is uploaded, locate it within Google Drive. You can find recent uploads by sorting using the modified time if necessary. Once you've found your image file, right-click it to open a context menu. From this menu, navigate to the Open With tab and select Google Docs. This step is crucial as it initiates Google's Optical Character Recognition capabilities, which will extract the text for you. A new Google document will now open, presenting you with the original image displayed at the top. Beneath this image, you should see the text that Google has intelligently detected and converted from your image. This is achieved through advanced software, and while it typically does a fantastic job, occasionally you might spot a few errors, especially with gibberish fonts or handwritten text. Now that you can see the text, the last step is simple. Just like you would in any regular document, highlight the text you want to use or transfer and copy it. With a quick keyboard shortcut or a right-click, you can copy the text directly into your clipboard, ready to be pasted wherever you need it. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to extract text from an image using Google Drive and Docs. This method is both powerful and convenient, saving you from the hassle of manually typing out text from images. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you find this technique as useful as I do.